Hello students, so welcome back. Okay, so till now we have studied different data types, constants, variables. Today we are going to see a very important data type which is there in C, which is enumeration data type. Now enumeration data type or enum is basically a user defined data type. Now previously I told you that there are basically three categories of data types. First is primitive or primary data type, second one is derived data type, and third one is user defined data type. So enumeration data type belongs to the user defined data type. Okay, now in C programming, an enumeration type, also called as enum, is a data type that consists of integral constants. To define enum, the enum keyword is used. When you define an enum type, the blueprint of the variable is created. Here's how you can create variable of enum type. So see here what is happening when you create enum variable in your program. So basically enum is what enum is used to assign integral constants to the names. Okay, so it is basically used to assign some integer value to false, also to true. Okay, now see, you have to create the enum variable with the help of enum keyword. You have to give the name, any name you can give. I have given here boolean as name, so you can give any name of your choice. So with the help of enum boolean, I have created the enumerated data type. Okay, the value, what is included in enumerated data type, false and true. These are the two names. So I can assign any integral value to the false and I can assign any integral value to true. In case if I'm not assigning any value to these names, what will happen? Compiler will automatically assign values to the false and true. Okay, now assigning value to the names of enumerated data type starts from 0. So compiler will assign 0 to the first name, 1 to the second name. If there are more than 2, 3, 4 words, it will assign sequentially. So here there are only two names, so compiler will assign 0 to false and 1 to true sequentially. Okay, now to access this enum boolean, enum data type, we have to create one variable. That is why I have created variable check, which is of type enum boolean. So try to understand, enum boolean is a data type and check is a variable. So the data type of check is what? Enum boolean. Okay, here a variable check of the type enum boolean is created. You can also create enum variable like this. You can also create check with this syntax as well. Okay, now here the value of false is equal to 0 and the value of true is equal to 1. Okay, now as I told you, if you are not assigning value to true and false, compiler will automatically assign values to these names starting from 0. Okay, that is why value to false is 0 and true is 1. Let me explain this to you with simple program. So see here, I have created enum boolean data type and the names which I am giving to this data type is false and true, right? Now after I create this enum boolean, I'll start with my main program. Int main. Inside the main, what I will do, I will create a variable of type enum boolean. Okay, now how to create that? Enum boolean check. So check is the variable which is of type enum boolean. Okay, now I can assign any value to check variable out of these two. So are you getting my point? I can assign value to check. Check is a variable, na? So I can assign any value to check variable out of these two values. Okay, so let's consider I am assigning check is equal to false. Even though I am assigning name, I am assigning this false name to the check, still if I want to print this check variable, it will print integer values. Why? Because compiler will assign integer constants to these names. So if you write printf statement to print the check value, what you will do, you will simply print the check value. That is why I am using %d, since it is an integer constant, that is why %d for integer, comma, check variable. Okay, return 0. So what I am doing here, I am assigning any one value out of these two names to check variable, and I am printing check. So what will be printed here? Your compiler will print, so your output will be what? Compiler have assigned 0 to false and 1 to true. So if I am printing check, if I am assigning false to check, and if I want to print this check, then compiler will print 0. I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. Now I want you all to run this program on your Turbo C compiler, okay, and tell me the output if you are getting this or not. Okay, so try to understand what is enum enumerated data type is. Basically it is a data type in which you are assigning integral constants to the name. Okay, so I hope you're clear with the concept. Let's just go back. Yeah, so the value of false is 0 and the value of true is 1. So I want you all to please download the Turbo C and do the program. Okay, so thank you everyone.